Listen and practice.
A day in my life. Hi there. My name is Alex, and I want to tell you all about my everyday routines and activities. I'm just a regular kid, and my days are full of fun and interesting things. Let's dive into a typical day for me. Every morning, my alarm clock buzzes, and I wake up with a big stretch. I rub my eyes and jump out of bed. I head to the bathroom to brush my teeth and wash my face. Then, I pick out my clothes for the day. I love wearing my favorite t-shirt and comfy jeans. After getting dressed, I head to the kitchen for breakfast. I love having cereal with cold milk and a glass of orange juice. It gives me energy for the day ahead. Sometimes, my mom makes pancakes or scrambled eggs, which are super yummy. Once I'm done with breakfast, it's time for school. I grab my backpack and hop onto the school bus. I wave goodbye to my parents and friends. At school, I have different classes like math, science, and art. My favorite class is art because I get to paint and create colorful drawings. During recess, I play with my friends on the playground. We love swinging on the swings, climbing on the jungle gym, and playing tag. It's a lot of fun, and it's nice to be outside and active. When the school day ends, I head back home on the bus. I'm always excited to see my dog, Max, waiting for me at the front door. Max is a furry golden retriever, and he is always happy to see me. We play fetch in the backyard, and he loves running after the ball. After playing with Max, it's time to do my homework. I sit at my desk and start working on math problems and reading assignments. Sometimes, my mom helps me with tricky questions. Once my homework is done, I have some free time to play video games or read my favorite books. In the evening, my family gathers around the dining table for dinner. We share stories from our day and enjoy a tasty meal together. My mom is an amazing cook, and she makes all sorts of delicious dishes. After dinner, I like to unwind by watching a little bit of TV or drawing in my sketchbook. Then, it's time to get ready for bed. I take a warm bath, put on my pajamas, and snuggle into bed with my favorite stuffed animals. My parents read me a bedtime story, and I drift off to sleep with sweet dreams. And that's a glimpse into a day in my life. Every day is different, but it's always filled with things that make me happy and excited. Thanks for joining me on this adventure through my routines and activities.